This travel hack feels illegal.
We all love to feel clever, like we've outsmarted the system, especially when we travel. Finding a shortcut, a loophole, a secret handshake, it adds excitement to the journey. Today, I'm sharing some travel hacks that feel just a bit naughty, but I promise, they're perfectly legal. These tricks are all about maximizing your experience while staying on the right side of the rules. These aren't about being unethical. They're about being resourceful, savvy, and adventurous. After all, isn't that part of the fun of traveling? Stepping outside our comfort zones, trying new things, and embracing the unexpected? Ever been stuck in an airport with terrible Wi-Fi? You're not alone. We've all been there. Phone glued to our hand, desperately searching for a signal. But here's a little secret: that upgrade to premium Wi-Fi button. Sometimes it's just a suggestion. Change the DNS settings on your device. A quick Google search will tell you how. And you might find yourself surfing the web for free. It feels like you're hacking the mainframe, but it's totally within the bounds of the law. Imagine this. You're in a foreign country, your flight is delayed, and you desperately need to let your family know you're okay. But the airport Wi-Fi is demanding an exorbitant fee. With this hack, you can bypass the paywall, connect with loved ones, and breathe a sigh of relief. It's like a little victory dance in your head. We've all been there. You're checking out of your hotel early before breakfast is served. But wait, you paid for that breakfast buffet. Don't let it go to waste. Most hotels are happy to pack you a to-go bag with pastries, fruit, and yogurt. Just ask the front desk the night before. They might even throw in a juice box. It feels a little like you're sneaking food out, especially if you load up that to-go bag. But remember, you paid for it. And now you have a delicious and convenient breakfast to enjoy on your way to the airport or your next adventure. These travel hacks might feel a little daring, but they're all about making your trip smoother, more enjoyable, and yes, maybe a little more exciting. Remember, travel is about embracing the unknown, pushing your boundaries, and finding those little moments of joy wherever you go. So go ahead, try these hacks on your next trip. You might be surprised at how much fun it is to feel like you're bending the rules without actually breaking them.